I'm going to show you how you can build dynamic website experiences with the data in your data warehouse using a reverse ETL solution like HighTouch. Once you have your integration set up and you have your data model built within HubSpot, you can start populating those custom objects with your data. With this data in HubSpot, you can open up a world of possibilities in HubSpot's CMS hub. There's been a shift in the industry. Your website is no longer a static billboard of information. It should be an experience and a way to connect with your customers. Within your website, there's a much higher demand for data as it can drive more personalization, more automation, and ultimately increase functionality. Let's look at an example of how you can use HighTouch and HubSpot to power a web page. With events, you have a ton of data from speaker data, sessions, sponsor information, tickets, and more. Let's say all of that's living in a data warehouse like Airtable. Well, what can you do with it there? Probably nothing. But by using HighTouch to get it into and organized in HubSpot, you can do a lot with it. To store that data in HubSpot, you need to use a combination of HubSpot's standard objects and custom objects. For events, a few custom objects that would be useful for your team are attendees, events, speakers, sessions, sponsors, and event tickets. So this is what your data model will look like in HubSpot. From there, you can build out properties to store information for each of those objects, like a speaker's headshot and company title, or like a session's description and time. HighTouch takes your data from your data warehouse and makes it actionable within HubSpot. It syncs all of that data onto your object records, and with a little dev support, you can have a beautiful event page that is dynamically updating based on information that's in your warehouse. Let's take this session custom object, for example. When you're planning an event that has multiple sessions, we can use the sessions custom object in order to create a separate record for each of those sessions. By using HubSpot's CMS hub, you can dynamically pull information from your session record into a website page for that session. So you can see here, it pulls in the name of the session, the description, date and time, speakers, sponsor information, all that good stuff is pulled directly from the session record in HubSpot. The beauty here is that your page can be updated as your data warehouse updates, and you can populate your website with any information that you store on custom objects. Real estate companies can have property listing pages, training programs can build course schedules, associations can build member portals, and the list goes on.